Forget everything you know about hair dryers. This one changes the game. Meet the Keheal High-Speed Hair Dryer, a sleek 3-in-1 tool that dries, curls, and straightens with salon power. Its 110,000 RPM motor and negative ion technology deliver ultra-fast drying while leaving hair smooth, shiny, and frizz-free. Lightweight, elegant, and half the price of luxury brands. Style smarter with Keheal. Summer's here, and this little gadget just made staying cool adorable. This cute water bottle-style humidifier doubles as a 3-speed desktop fan with a visible water tank, tiny dyno, and spinning windmill. It sprays a fine mist that feels extra cool when the fan blows across your face, and the soft ambient light turns it into the perfect night lamp. Quiet, refreshing, and super aesthetic. Your must-have desk buddy for summer days.